The South Orkney Islands rise from the Southern Ocean like ancient frosted sentinels. Among these islands lies Signy Island, a place where ice and rock meet the relentless power of the Southern Ocean. Here, on a rocky outcrop overlooking a bay teeming with life, stands Signy Research Station. It is a beacon of human endeavour in a land of extremes, a testament to our thirst for knowledge and our responsibility to protect this pristine wilderness. Signy Research Station is more than just a collection of buildings. It is a hub of scientific exploration, a place where dedicated researchers brave the harsh conditions to study the delicate balance of life in Antarctica. Their work is crucial for understanding not only this unique ecosystem, but also the global impact of climate change. Signy stands as a symbol of international collaboration, where nations unite in the pursuit of knowledge and the preservation of our planet. The story of Signy Research Station is woven into the history of Antarctic exploration. In the early 20th century, the island was a hub for whalers seeking to profit from the rich marine life of the Southern Ocean. But Signy's destiny lay not in exploitation, but in scientific discovery. In 1947, the British Antarctic Survey established a permanent presence on Signy Island. What began as a small summer-only base gradually expanded into a year-round research facility. Over the decades, Signy has hosted countless scientists, each contributing to our understanding of Antarctica's unique environment and its role in the global ecosystem. The station's history is etched into its very structure. The original wooden huts, redolent with the spirit of early exploration, stand alongside modern laboratories equipped with cutting-edge technology. Signy is a living testament to the enduring human fascination with Antarctica and the ongoing quest to unravel its mysteries. Signy Research Station is a hive of activity, with scientists from around the world collaborating on a diverse range of research projects. Their work focuses on understanding the intricate web of life that thrives in this extreme environment and the impact of human activities on this fragile ecosystem. Marine biologists at Signy delve into the secrets of the Southern Ocean, studying the life cycles of krill, the tiny crustaceans that form the foundation of the Antarctic food web. They monitor fish populations, track the movements of seals, and analyze the delicate balance of phytoplankton and zooplankton that sustain the entire marine ecosystem. On land, terrestrial ecologists study the hardy plant communities that eke out a living on the fringes of the ice. They investigate the adaptations of mosses, lichens, and invertebrates to the extreme cold, dryness, and constant sunlight of the Antarctic summer. Their research provides valuable insights into the resilience of life and the potential impacts of climate change on terrestrial ecosystems. Life at Signy Research Station follows a unique rhythm dictated by the seasons and the isolation of this remote outpost. Nestled in the icy expanse of Antarctica, the station is a hub of scientific discovery and human resilience. The summer months from November to March are a time of intense activity. Researchers from around the globe converge here, eager to make the most of the brief window of relative warmth and extended daylight. The sun hangs low in the sky, casting a perpetual twilight over the landscape. This ethereal light creates a surreal environment, perfect for both scientific observation and introspection. The ice retreats, revealing patches of bare rock and allowing access to field sites. These newly exposed areas are ripe for exploration and study, offering clues to the Earth's climatic past. The station's population swells with the arrival of researchers, their excitement palpable as they prepare for months of fieldwork. The anticipation of new discoveries and the camaraderie among the team members create a vibrant atmosphere. The hum of generators, the clatter of equipment, and the excited chatter of scientists fill the air. Every corner of the station buzzes with activity as experiments are set up and data is collected. It is a time of discovery, of pushing the boundaries of knowledge and of forging lifelong bonds with fellow adventurers. The shared experience of working in such an extreme environment creates a unique sense of unity and purpose. As winter approaches, the sun dips below the horizon, plunging Signy into months of darkness. The transition is stark, as the vibrant summer activity gives way to the stillness of winter. The sea ice expands, isolating the station from the outside world. The once accessible landscape becomes a frozen fortress, cutting off all but the most essential contact. The small team that remains for the winter faces the challenges of isolation, confinement, and the constant threat of blizzards. Their resilience and determination are tested daily as they continue their vital work. But even in the depths of winter, the spirit of scientific inquiry burns bright. The researchers persevere, driven by their passion for discovery and their commitment to advancing human knowledge. Section 5. A haven for wildlife. Signy Island is a haven for Antarctic wildlife, a place where penguins waddle along the shoreline, creating a picturesque scene that is both charming and captivating. Seals bask on ice floes, soaking up the sparse sunlight, while seabirds wheel overhead, their cries echoing across the icy expanse. The island's diverse habitats, from rocky shores to snow-covered slopes, support a surprising array of species, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this harsh and unforgiving environment. Each species has evolved remarkable adaptations to survive the extreme cold and limited resources. The island's most iconic residents are undoubtedly the penguins, whose presence adds a lively and endearing touch to the stark landscape. Adelie penguins, with their distinctive black and white plumage, nest in large colonies on the rocky shores, creating bustling communities that are a sight to behold. Gen 2 penguins, slightly larger and with bright orange bills, prefer to nest on higher ground where they can keep a watchful eye on their surroundings. The antics of these comical birds never fail to entertain and delight the station's human inhabitants, providing a much-needed source of amusement in the remote and isolated environment. Weddell seals, with their soulful eyes and gentle nature, are a common sight on the ice floes surrounding the island, often seen lounging peacefully. These placid creatures are often seen basking in the sun or hauling out onto the ice to give birth to their pups, nurturing the next generation in the safety of the frozen landscape. Crab-eater seals, despite their name, feed primarily on krill, which they filter from the water with their specialized teeth. These seals have developed an efficient method to extract these tiny crustaceans, ensuring they get the nutrition they need to survive in the frigid waters. Section 6. Guardians of a Frozen World. Signy Research Station is not just a place of scientific discovery. It is also a symbol of our responsibility to protect this pristine environment. The Antarctic Treaty System, signed in 1959, designates the continent as a natural reserve, dedicated to peace and science. Signy Station operates under the strict guidelines of this treaty, minimizing its environmental impact and promoting responsible stewardship of Antarctica. Waste management is a top priority at Signy. All waste is carefully sorted, recycled, or shipped off the island for disposal. Fuel spills are meticulously cleaned up, and every effort is made to minimize the station's footprint on the surrounding environment. The researchers at Signy are acutely aware of their role as guardians of this fragile ecosystem. Their work not only advances our understanding of Antarctica, but also informs conservation efforts and helps to ensure the long-term health of this unique and irreplaceable part of our planet. Section 7. Global collaboration for a common goal. While Signy Research Station is operated by the British Antarctic Survey, it is a truly international facility. Scientists from around the world come together here, united by their passion for Antarctica and their commitment to scientific excellence. Collaboration is at the heart of Signy's success. Researchers share their expertise, data, and resources, working together to address complex scientific questions. This international cooperation is essential for tackling global challenges such as climate change, which transcends national borders and requires a united global response. The station's remote location fosters a strong sense of community. Researchers, support staff, and visitors from all walks of life come together in this isolated outpost, sharing meals, stories, and a common purpose. The bonds forged in this challenging environment often last a lifetime. Section 8. Sentinels of Change. Signy Research Station stands on the front lines of climate change. The Antarctic Peninsula, where Signy is located, is one of the fastest warming regions on Earth. The impacts of this warming are already being felt, from melting glaciers to shifting wildlife populations. The long-term monitoring programs at Signy are crucial for tracking these changes and understanding their implications for the future. Scientists are studying the effects of warming on everything from the timing of penguin breeding cycles to the distribution of krill in the Southern Ocean. Their findings are shared with policymakers and the public to raise awareness about the urgent need for action on climate change. The research conducted at Signy is not just about understanding the past and present, it is about shaping the future. By providing insights into how ecosystems respond to change, Signy scientists are helping us to develop strategies for mitigating the impacts of climate change and preserving the biodiversity of our planet for generations to come. Section 9. A future forged in ice and knowledge. As we look to the future, the importance of Signy Research Station will only continue to grow. This remote outpost is not just a research facility, it is a hub of innovation and discovery, where scientists from around the world come together to unlock the secrets of our planet. The challenges facing Antarctica and the planet as a whole are complex and interconnected. Climate change, melting ice caps, and shifting ecosystems are just a few of the pressing issues that require our immediate attention. Addressing them requires international collaboration, scientific rigor, and an unwavering commitment to conservation. Scientists at Signy work tirelessly, often in extreme conditions, to gather data that is crucial for understanding these global phenomena. Signy stands as a beacon of hope, a symbol of our capacity to work together to understand and protect our planet. It represents the best of human ingenuity and the spirit of cooperation that transcends borders. The research conducted here is not just about Antarctica, it is about the future of humanity. The findings from Signy have far-reaching implications, influencing policies and practices worldwide. By studying this remote and fragile ecosystem, we gain insights into the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the urgent need to live in balance with our planet. The unique wildlife and pristine environment offer invaluable lessons on sustainability and conservation. The scientists and support staff who brave the harsh conditions at Signy Research Station are pioneers, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and inspiring future generations to care for our planet. Their dedication and resilience are a testament to the human spirit. Their work reminds us that even in the most remote corners of the Earth, human actions have global consequences, and that the choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet for generations to come. The legacy of Signy Research Station is one of hope, discovery, and a commitment to a sustainable future.